Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word undeclared. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She remained undeclared about her intentions until the last moment. Undeclared means not officially stated or announced, often referring to a decision, intention, or candidacy that has not been formally declared or revealed publicly. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.